Hey everyone, welcome back to our Dynamics 365 CRM tutorial series. Today, we'll be walking through a scenario where we need to set the annual interest rate based on the tenure selected, and we'll show you how to achieve this using business rules. So let's jump right in. Let's walk through the scenario together. Here, we have three fields displayed on the form. Available loan, this field allows us to input the loan amount. Tenure in years, a drop-down field presenting three options: 1 year, 5 years, and 10 years. Annual interest, initially set to 10%, 15%, or 20% based on the selected tenure option. Now let's see how the system reacts as we interact with these fields. Inputting loan amount. First, we input a value in the available loan field. Let's say $10,000. Selecting tenure. Next, we choose a tenure option from the tenure in years drop-down. For this example, let's select 5 years. Automated interest calculation. As soon as we select the tenure option, observe how the annual interest field updates automatically to 15%, reflecting the predefined interest rate for a 5-year tenure. Testing other options. Let's try selecting a different tenure, say 1 year. Instantly, the annual interest field changes to 10%, reflecting the interest rate for a 1-year tenure. Verifying behavior. Finally, let's confirm that if we choose 10 years as the tenure, the annual interest field updates to 20% as expected. We navigate to the Business Rules section in Entity through our solution and create a new business rule. Within the Business Rule Designer, we add our conditions using the appropriate field and value comparisons. Then we define the actions to be performed based on these conditions, such as setting the annual interest rate field accordingly. We start by defining our conditions based on the tenure selected. In our case, we have options for 1 year, 5 years, and 10 years. Defining actions. Next, we specify the actions to be taken based on these conditions. If the tenure is 1 year, we set the annual interest rate to 10%. If it's 5 years, we set it to 15%. And for 10 years, it's set to 20%. Once all conditions and actions are set, we activate the business rule to ensure it takes effect. And there you have it. By configuring Business Rules CRM, we can automate processes and ensure accurate data handling based on predefined conditions. Stay tuned for more tutorials on optimizing your Dynamics 365 experience, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for future updates. Thanks for watching.